Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. In today's video, we've got some ooey gooiness fudgy brownie, my favorite type of brownie. I don't particularly prefer the cakey one. I prefer this one that you can just like, melt in your mouth. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just melting some chocolate and some butter in the microwave. You can also do it on a double boiler on the stove, but it was easier to just put it in the microwave on a defrost setting, and then just keep checking on it. You don't have to keep opening, but you can just check to see how it's going. If you see that it's almost ready, then you take it out and you mix it. And then we've got some sugar and some eggs that we're going to just whisk. You can also use your mixer or your handheld mixer, but I wanted to show you that it's so easy. You can just do it with what you have in the house, and yeah, it is so simple. You just whisk your sugar and your eggs nicely until it's got like this creamy look to it. Here's our chocolate and our butter after being in the microwave for 2 minutes. I put it on the quick defrost setting and then just let it do its thing, and then it didn't get to burn. If you put it on a normal setting, then you really need to stand there and keep opening it. But the defrost, it doesn't cook it, it just like helps it to be nice like this. So now we're just making sure that all the chocolate is melted nicely, and then we're just gonna set it aside and then get our whisk and go in on our sugar and our eggs and just do it well. Mix, 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 mix. You can also use a wooden spoon to whisk this. It's absolutely fine because it doesn't have to be fine. It's gonna bake and it will be fine in the oven. But look at that color. It's nice and smooth after mixing it for a bit. Look at that. It's glossy, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And the end product was absolutely amazing. We've got some vanilla extract. If you remember my vanilla video that I made last year, you can go check it out. It will be in the description. So I put 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. It just, vanilla and chocolate goes very, very well together, if I have to say so myself. And then we just whisk this nicely before we add our flour. This is cake flour that we sifted, and some salt. This is half a teaspoon of salt. You don't have to put a lot because it's salted butter. So you just mix it, and it's not going to be overly sweet. Here's some cocoa powder. I didn't have the dark cocoa powder because the chocolate discs that I used with the butter, it was dark chocolate. So it gives it a nice balance. It's not overly sweet. It's just delicious. And yeah, you're going to love it. Please try it. This is the weekend. That's when you get time to be at home to spoil your people. So please try it and let me know what you think. If you try it, please don't forget to comment and let me know. You don't have to say much. You can just say, made it, loved it. That's it. You don't have to like write something, a long sentence or anything like that. Just let me know if you liked it. Even you can just leave a thumbs up so that I can see in the comments that you liked it. Look at that. Now we're mixing our batter with the chocolate before we add our chocolate discs. So I got this from any chocolate shop in Florida. I absolutely adore that chocolate shop. They've got amazing chocolate for baking. They can make a shoe chocolate, they can make a handbag chocolate, they can make everything absolutely amazing. So their chocolate is really good quality because that's all they do, chocolate. So yeah, this was baking chocolate that I used here it just tasted, you can just eat it like that and it tastes really good. Some baking chocolates are not that great when you just taste it like that, but when you cook it into something or when you bake it into something, then it's amazing. This is a brownie pan. I am going to tell you for free that I did not like it. Okay, I did not like this brownie pan because the reviews that I saw is that you don't have to put any non-stick spray in it or batter it, nothing like that, or batteries, nothing like that. Okay, fine. So then I made it with without the batter, but it still sticks. I made it with a non-stick spray in there and it still stuck. So what does it do? Next time I just use my normal small square baking pan for these brownies and it will be fine. So I don't recommend it. I'm sorry, the people that made it, I don't recommend it because it doesn't make sense. It sticks so much. I buttered this divider like properly, like you say I should, and it still got stuck. So it's pretty, but that's all. And then now we bake it for 30 minutes. And then look at that transition. Oh my goodness, look at the glossiness. Absolutely fantastic. When you put your toothpick or your cake tester, it must come out clean. If it's not clean, then leave it a bit more. But this was 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it should be fine. It should be plenty. Somebody was super excited, but I had to tell her she needs to wait for them. She was like, Mama, can we have? I said, no, they're so hot. You need to let them sit in the pan, let them cool down. So she's asking me, what date is it today? I'm saying it's Wednesday. I don't know, maybe she wants the brownies to be a Wednesday thing now. I don't understand the question, but yeah, my person is random. Anyway, I was just tasting now to see, okay, can I be able to take it out? But then I realized, let me just wait until it's cool completely, and then we can take the divider out and then still let them cool some more because the bottom was still hot. So you need the pan to be cold, to be cool before you can take the brownies out. So she pulled it too fast. I was trying to like take it nice and slowly, and then she pulled it fast, then it just did this thing. But look at that, they look gorgeous. She was so happy.
Thank you for watching us cry.
As April said, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Please try these this weekend. It's gonna be nice and cold, so try them for your family. And if they enjoy it, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.